Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today I will be telling you about protein in avocado, its benefits, how is it good for you and a simple recipe. Let us start. Avocado, a large berry with a single seed filled up with precious nutrients like protein, carbs, healthy fat, calories, vitamins and minerals that you love to eat in a variety of ways. Either you mash them to make guacamole to spread on the toast or mix with any salad or cereal and eat as a side dish. Now let us see how is protein good for you. Protein is an essential nutrient which works as a building block of bones, muscles, blood, skin and the cartilage. Similarly, 100 grams of avocado contains 2 grams of protein. However, fresh avocado fruit does not contain a significant amount of protein but add it as a creamy, delicious ingredient in various dishes. It is advisable to add other protein-rich foods to combine with avocado to increase the consumption of protein in your meals. Thus, it helps in satiety and gives a feeling of fullness for longer than eating a solo fruit. Now, let us see how to add avocado in your meals. Firstly, add a spoonful of avocado to a smoothie, thus boosting the amount of fiber and fat in the drink. Or, spread the avocado puree as a healthy spread on wraps and sandwiches, thus works as a perfect substitute for mayonnaise. Or, to increase protein in avocado for breakfast, crack an egg on the half pit removed avocado and bake until the yolk sets on it. Now let us see a simple avocado smoothie which is rich in protein. Note down the ingredients. For this you need 1 cup avocado cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, half cup yogurt, half cup milk. Now how to make it? You need to simply blend all the ingredients in the blender until smooth. Your protein-rich avocado smoothie is ready to drink. I hope I have answered your queries and henceforth, when you wish to make a protein-rich smoothie, you would love to try the avocado smoothie and thus feel fuller for longer. Thank you.